안녕하세요, 저는 Noki입니다. Welcome back to my channel today, Luckies, where we are going to be reacting to some more Ateez. And today we have got Ateez's Fireworks or 불놀이야. I'm the one, and I am so incredibly fucking excited. I literally cannot even properly describe how I feel about this comeback, man. This beat is my favorite. I'm gonna go fucking insane. Just want to let you know, over on Patreon, the album listening party will be out later on tonight, plus the comeback stage eventually when it goes up. Also on top of that, Ateez Fever Road, go and check it out. Massive old like, full screen. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We're watching this twice, I just have to say it. This is actually gonna fucking kill me. I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited. Oh shit, let's go. Oh yeah, dude, let's go. Hey, dude, 성아. Dude, facts. 여상, oh my lord. 무슨 일이야, 야. Dude, 최선, Ooh. Oh my god, dude. Get it, Mingy. Oh my god, these outfits. Oh my god, 정어. Get on, Jun. 불놀이야, hey. Dude, this carriage. Breathe. Dude, you know the flag. Hey, 취향 바보들 좀 봐. 이게 무슨 일이야, 야. Dude, 우영, I can't deal. Hey, dude, blood inside the carriage. 여성, dude. Let's go home, dude. Oh. Oh my god, 성화. I can't speak. I can't speak. 정어. Dude, his hair. Dude, Chesan, you are illegal. This beat is crazy. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, the jump. 불놀이야, hey. 불놀이야. What? Oh, dude, why are they doing this to us? I can't speak. The man. Dude, I can't speak. I have no thoughts. Only Ateez. This is their most insane song. I don't know even where to begin with it. This is insane. This is insane. I don't give a fuck, alright? I don't care. I'm the biggest Ateez simp, bro. I am done. Look at this man. Dude, look at the glove that fits. Yosang, you are just cooked, mate. You are cooked, mate. 무슨 일이야? You are crazy. Absolutely illegal. A criminal. A visual criminal. Look at you, Tongo. Get your shit. 우리 막내가 진짜 막내 on top이야. Oh, Mingy. Hey. Dude, I literally want to act up. Listening to Mingy. My headphones, come on. I can't deal with it. This choreography is crazy. This choreography is fucked. Ooh, Ateez. Oh, they're stealing it. Dude, this is my boy group song of the year, confirmed already. They were it last year, and they are it this year. I can't. Dun dun dun. Hey, spit it. Let's go. Ouya. Oh. Hey. Dude, these lyrics though. Dun dun dun. That train carriage is crazy. Oh, our leader going off. Hey. Oh my god. Dude, just look at Songha. Just the... Hey! 불놀이야! 불놀이야! Oh my god! I'm sweating. I'm done. What a workout. I don't want Chongo to ever say again that he doesn't get good parts. Cause look at this. This is incredible. Hey! These outfits, Songha, you need to fuck off. You know. Oh, Chesan! Oh, 불놀이야! 불놀이야! Oh my god! I'm so emotional right now, man. Holy. I don't even know where to begin. Guys, I literally don't even know where to begin with this. This was just absolutely fucking amazing. Like, beyond my wildest expectations. This was just absolutely amazing. Like, you know, watching the performance preview was just something else, and I'm so glad that I did. But nothing could have prepared us for this. 18 around the world are dead. This is crazy. Like, this is, you know, Ateez quite literally signal a revolution in K-pop. Ateez are the revolution. In 4th gen boy groups, there are only 2 groups that I hold in such high esteem, and that is Ateez and Stray Kids, Straytees. The fact that both of them are gonna be on Kingdom, the fact that both of them are mates, I am so fucking psyched, man. I literally just do not even know where to begin. Everything from the outfits to the choreography to the scenes in the music video were just on point. They looked impeccable. Absolutely impeccable. This song, and the reason I can call this so early, I said at the very end of Thanks, when I first reacted to it, that this beat sounded whack. I don't know how many times I have replayed Thanks over here on YouTube and listened to the last 20 seconds of that music video. It's an ungodly amount, because I've been so incredibly excited for this beat to drop for so long, just like I'm sure so many of us are. Now, no group yet has ever made my headphones come off my head more than like twice in one video. I just, like, they're just absolutely insane. Like, this is full blast in my ears, full blast, and that is such an experience. Ateez are all about experiences. They are all about just 100% fucking perfection, and they have hit the nail on the head with this, man. I cannot wait for the album listen. I'm trying so hard to like calm myself down so that I don't have like a quiver in my voice, but I am so excited. So excited. This is the first comeback that they had since they graduated from being rookies. Just let that sink in. Let that fucking sink in. They're not rookies anymore, and they are here to tell everyone. Even when they were rookies, they were out here acting like they'd been out here for fucking 10 years. They're crazy. They're crazy. This is nuts. Stream the shit out of this, man. They deserve everything with this. They deserve way more than a win with this. They deserve, like, just more recognition than they have ever gotten. Just off this one song alone. This is fucking fire. This is 100% up my alley. For those of you who are wondering why I like this so much, this is 100% up my alley. This is my taste. This is it. Ateez is taste. Stan talent, stan Ateez. What else do I have to say? Like, they're amazing. Anyway, I really can't compose my thoughts right now. I'm just bewildered. Bewildered is probably like the best word. I'm in awe of them. They put so much into this. They're fucking incredible. Stan talent, stan Ateez. If you want to see more like it, subscribe to the channel, because we don't skip a beat with Ateez. We fucking love them. We ult them over here. So definitely make sure to stick around. There is a playlist up in the cards above you guys can go and check out if you do want to see my previous videos. So definitely go and give it a look. But man, I am so incredibly proud of them. I don't really know what else to say. That's right. Patreon. We've got Fever Road over on Patreon. We will have this album listen over there too, and we'll have the live stage too, so definitely go and give that a look. And Fever Road we upload every single week, so go and give that a look, y'all. But look, I love and appreciate every single one of you for dealing with this reaction and putting up with it. I hope it wasn't too crazy, but honestly, I have nothing to apologize for, because I'll literally fucking throw myself around like a ragdoll for Ateez. It's just how it is. So anyway, love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, take care of yourselves out there. Stay safe. But most of all, and above all else, make sure that you guys are staying happy. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.